Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zela Alaina Nurul Fatimah. I'm from class 6C English department at Ibnu Khaldun University. And I'm here because I'm ready to do a midterm test of teaching English for young learner course. And for the first discussion, I will explain the meaning of pre-reading activity, during reading activity, and post-reading activity. For the first is purpose of pre-reading activity. This activity can help the learner to be more prepared for what they are about to read. It can help them anticipate the topic of the reading. And in this doing, they can also prepare themselves for the kind of language, vocabulary, and even grammar that may be used in the text. In addition, if done in the right way, it can encourage the learner to want to read and maybe even increase their motivation to read. The second is purpose of during reading activity. During reading activity have two main purposes. First, they increase student understanding of the text, and the second, they enable the teacher to check if student understand what they are reading and in which areas student need help or support. The third is purpose of post reading activity. The main of post reading activity phase is to check for accurate comprehension of the text. Too often students are asked to read a selection and then never get a chance to discuss the piece they have read. By using simple post reading strategies, you can help your child derive meaning from what they has read and address any misunderstanding that he may have encouraged. And now I will tell the activities. For the pre-reading activity, the main function of pre-reading activity is to provide preliminary knowledge related to the aspect of reading to be understood, to train students to know the purpose of reading, and to provide motivation and self-confidence. That is all pre-reading activities are designed to achieve the basic competencies and indicators that will be taught to students. The second, during reading activities. During reading activity, focus attention on one aspect of reading. A lack of during reading activity means students are saying words, but they aren't learning a lot. An effective and efficient reader must first know the purpose of the text. After knowing the purpose of reading, a reader will choose the right and appropriate reading strategies to achieve the goals. The third is post-reading activities. Post-reading activities allow for reinforcement of lesson objective. It is called post-reading activity because activity is carried out after a student has carried out reading activities. A lack of post-reading activities means student may quickly forget what was learned. The main function of post-reading activity is to check whether what has been read has been well understood by student. The activity after reading this can be in the form of assignment or question related to text read. The last, I will explain about procedure of popcorn reading. Popcorn reading is a classroom practice in which students go around the room taking turns reading a text out loud. Just means they're jumping around the room like popcorn popping in a popcorn maker ride to the kids to read. The procedure of popcorn reading is heard a flood of ideas from as many different voices as possible. One person will share a quick laser charm, respond a question, and then next will share a different idea, and then it goes on and on and on and on. This is end of my video. I hope we can take a good lesson from what I delivered today. I ask forgiveness for any word that not supposed to be. Thank you for your kind attention. Enjoy the day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.